Today, we're diving into some thrilling news that could shake up the smartwatch world. It seems Garmin is preparing to drop a bombshell with the rumored release of new models in the Fenix 8 lineup. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who's been contemplating the perfect smartwatch to complement your lifestyle, stick around because this could change everything you know about wearable tech. Let's explore what we've uncovered about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro lineup and the potential game changer, the MicroLED version. The current landscape of the Fenix 8 lineup. Garmin has already impressed us with the release of the standard Fenix 8 and Fenix 8 Solar models. These smartwatches brought groundbreaking features to the table, including diving support and a built-in voice assistant, a first for the Fenix series. These innovations have set the stage for what's to come, leaving fans wondering how Garmin could top this. The leaked Garmin Connect screenshots. Recently, leaked screenshots from the Garmin Connect app, initially shared on Reddit, hint at the imminent arrival of 3 new models in the Fenix 8 lineup. Fenix 8 Pro 47mm, Fenix 8 Pro 51mm, Fenix 8 MicroLED version. These models briefly appeared in the app's Add Device section before disappearing, fueling speculation. Was this a genuine error or an intentional teaser by Garmin? The blacked-out watch faces in the images lend credibility to the leaks, as they're too specific to be placeholders. What could the Pro models offer? The Pro models are expected to come in 2 sizes, 47mm and 51mm, offering more variety for different wrist sizes and preferences. Speculation suggests these models will feature upgraded internals, potentially enhanced processing power, better battery life, and advanced fitness tracking capabilities. Solar charging, a highlight of the Fenix 8 Solar, might still be a standard feature, making these watches even more appealing for outdoor enthusiasts. The revolutionary MicroLED version. Let's talk about the most exciting aspect, the rumored MicroLED version. If true, this model could redefine what we expect from smartwatch displays. MicroLED technology promises brighter screens, better energy efficiency, and a virtually zero chance of burn-in, outperforming the AMOLED displays we see in many competitors. This leap in display tech could give Garmin a significant edge over brands like Apple, which has been working on MicroLED for years, but has faced challenges in production and cost. MicroLED displays are particularly appealing for outdoor adventurers who rely on clear visibility in bright sunlight. Coupled with Garmin's reputation for durability and reliability, this could make the Fenix 8 MicroLED the ultimate smartwatch for explorers and athletes alike. Was it a glitch or a sneak peek? While some might dismiss this as a simple software glitch, there's evidence to suggest otherwise. Multiple references to these models in the Garmin Connect app imply intentional inclusion rather than a random error. According to sources like 5K Runner, the precision of the listings makes it unlikely to be a mistake. Pricing and release date speculation. Although Garmin has yet to make an official announcement, it's safe to assume that these new models will be priced higher than the standard Fenix 8, which starts at $1,100. Given the rumored features, particularly the MicroLED version, a premium price tag seems justified. As for the release date, industry insiders speculate that Garmin might unveil these watches at an upcoming tech event or through a dedicated launch. Why you might want to wait. If you're considering buying a Fenix 8, it might be worth holding off until these Pro models and the MicroLED version are officially announced. The potential for enhanced features and cutting-edge display technology could make the wait worthwhile. Fresh keywords for tech lovers. We're blending fresh keywords into this discussion to help you stay ahead in the smartwatch game. Keywords like Garmin Fenix 8 Pro release date, MicroLED smartwatch, Garmin Connect leaks, and Best Outdoor Smartwatch 2024 will keep you informed and help you discover related updates more easily. A broader look at Garmin's strategy. Garmin's move to potentially include MicroLED technology isn't just about competing with Apple or other smartwatch brands. It's a strategic push to dominate the rugged smartwatch market. With more people prioritizing health, fitness, and outdoor adventures, the demand for versatile and durable wearables is growing. Garmin seems poised to meet this demand head-on, a step ahead of the competition. While competitors like Apple, Samsung, and Fitbit are focusing on lifestyle features, Garmin's emphasis on ruggedness and functionality appeals to a niche yet growing market. By incorporating cutting-edge technology like MicroLED, Garmin could carve out an even larger share of the smartwatch market. What this means for the smartwatch industry. If Garmin successfully launches a micro-LED smartwatch, it could set a new standard for the industry. Other brands might be forced to accelerate their adoption of similar technologies to stay competitive. This ripple effect could lead to a faster evolution of smartwatch features, benefiting consumers in the long run. Your thoughts matter. Now let's hear from you. What do you think about these rumors? Are you excited about the possibility of a micro-LED smartwatch? Do you think Garmin's Pro models will live up to the hype? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Explore more. If you're as intrigued as we are, don't forget to explore the links in the description. You'll find resources to compare smartwatch prices, learn more about the current Fenix 8 models, and get insights into upcoming tech trends. Closing thoughts. Garmin's rumored Fenix 8 Pro lineup and the potential micro-LED version are creating waves in the tech world. While we await official confirmation, the leaks and speculation have already set the stage for what could be a revolutionary moment in smartwatch technology. Thank you for tuning in to Technology in the Future. If you found this video insightful, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest in tech innovation. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.